National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a tornado warning for Cass County in southwestern Iowa, southwestern Guthrie County, Audubon County, northwestern Adair County in southwestern Iowa until 5:45 p.m. At 4:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Atlantic, moving northeast at 75 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat rotation. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of Cass, southwestern Guthrie, Audubon, and northwestern Adair counties, including the following locations: Exara, Lake Anita State Park, Adair, Kimballton, Anita, Wheeler, Elkhorn, Lewis, Brayton, and Audubon County Airport. This includes Interstate 80 between mile markers 50 and 80. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Adair, Audubon, Cass, and Guthrie.